Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it can also be intimidating for beginners. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Start by researching. Before you invest, it's important to understand how the stock market works and the factors that can influence stock prices. You can find plenty of resources online, such as articles, videos, and online courses. Set investment goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your investments. This could include how much money you want to make, your desired level of risk, and your time horizon for investing. Choose a brokerage. Open a brokerage account so you can buy and sell stocks. There are many different options available, so be sure to compare fees, user-friendliness, and investment options before making a decision. Build a diversified portfolio. Spread your investments across a range of stocks, industries, and even countries to reduce risk. A popular strategy for beginners is to invest in a low-cost, broad-based index fund, such as the S&P 500. Start investing. Decide on the stocks you want to purchase, taking into account factors such as the company's financial performance, growth potential, and industry trends. Monitor your investments. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it still aligns with your investment goals and make adjustments as needed. You can do this by staying up to date with market news and keeping an eye on the performance of your stocks. Consider professional help. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about investing in stocks, consider seeking the help of a financial advisor. Remember, investing in stocks is a long-term commitment, and it's important to be patient and not get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. By following these steps and doing your research, you'll be well on your way to achieving your investment goals.